Hi, this is Matt with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we'll be showing you how to repair your appliance. Remember, anytime you work on an appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we're going to show you how to change out the Bosch Dishwasher Check Valve. It's going to be a very easy repair and should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can click on the link below or get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. When you open up the package, you're going to get the new check valve. The check valve stops the wastewater from coming back into the dishwasher. The manager should be changing it out so if it's damaged and the wastewater is coming back into the dishwasher and the dishes aren't getting clean. In order to get to the part, we have to take off the access panel. We're going to use a Phillips screwdriver to take out the screws. Once you have the screws out, you can lift the access panel out and set it aside. Now that we have the access panel out, we're going to throw a towel down to catch any water that may come out when this hose comes out. And there's a little locking collar that connects the hose to the sump. We're going to have to lift up on this so it comes off. Once you have it off, you can pull it out. Then we can pull the hose out of the sump. Kind of push it out of the way. Now that you have the hose out, you can see the check valve inside this sump fitting. There's a little notch right at 12 o'clock. We're going to use the flathead screwdriver to get up there and get in there. And then we're going to turn it so that the tabs at 9 and 3 o'clock release. Once you have the tabs released, you'll hear a little click. And then you can see the tab over here at like 8 o'clock. And you can reach in with your hand and just pull the check valve out. If it's stuck in there, you can use like a little hook pick to reach in there and get it. Once you have it free, you can pull it off the dishwasher. Here's the old check valve next to the new one. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. To put the new check valve in, all you have to do is line it up so your notch is right at 12 o'clock and the locking tabs are at 9 and 3. You can just push it in and lock it in. Now we can put the hose back into the sump. All you have to do is line it up, press it in. Once you have it in, we can put the locking collar on. All you have to do is get it onto this tab right here. You can snap it into place. Once you have the locking collar on, we can put the access panel back on. To put the access panel in, all you have to do is lift up into place. Then we can use the Phillips screwdriver to put the screws in. Once you have the access panel mounted, you can plug it back in and take it for a spin. Thanks for joining us for another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. Check out our other repair videos on our site, Facebook, and YouTube.